Hi guys, welcome to my channel Ostech. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Thank you for tuning in, and the old friends, thank you for tuning in again. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. Today we'll be making a bleach, a thin bleach, not a thick one. So we are making the liquid form of bleach. So before we go ahead to introduce our ingredients, so there are some precautions we need to take. As you can see me, I'm wearing gloves. Okay, there are some precautions we need to take. One is sign when you are making chemical like bleach or any form of chemical, soap and detergents. You want to be extra careful. Don't make it in your kitchen where you are cooking. Don't use your kitchen equipment, your plate, your bowls, your spoon. You want to have separate equipment, separate bowls and spoons, or wooden spoons and everything you are using, equipment in general. You want to have it separate for it. Unlike, for example, your cosmetics, whereby the ingredients are not harmful. But with chemicals, with soap and detergents, you want to have a separate equipment. So don't make it where the kids are, okay? Because some of the ingredients are corrosive. Like today, we are making thin bleach. One of the ingredients we are using is very corrosive, so you need to make it where there is no kids. And when you are keeping your ingredients or your final product, you also want to keep it away from kids as well. Okay, so don't leave it on the surface where kids can easily access them. You need to keep it properly. And then when you are making your product, you want to make it whereby hair is the terminology is gone but you want to like have airflow, like there's wind or hair. The amount of hair there is enough so that you don't inhale too much of it. Okay, so another thing is that you want to wear your glove, wear your mask if it's your very first time, you are not used to all these chemicals. Some people, if they inhale it, they can start sneezing, coughing and all those kind of things. So you need to use your mask, and you need to really work gently, because you don't want the chemical to spill on your skin. So you want to wear gloves, you want to wear proper clothing. So for example, for me, I've been making these chemicals for a long time, so I'm used to how to handle them gently and all those things. And the amount I'm making today is just a 500-gram batch, so it's not a lot. So guys, you want to do everything with precaution, with caution in mind, so that you don't harm yourself in the process. With this thin bleach, you can use it for your household cleaning, your toilets, your baths. You can use it for bleaching your white clothes to remove the stains. It works so well. It's the same one I'm selling to my clients, so it's worked the same way. It's just the same level as the shop bleach. So let's go ahead and introduce our ingredients. In front of me here, I'm using just 2 ingredients for this thin bleach, because one of the ingredients, which is hypochlorite, sodium hypochlorite or sodium hypochlorite, is already pre-made for us already, so we buy it like that. In another video, I will explain how to make sodium hypochlorite, whereby we use different kind of ingredients to make it. But in this video, we are using sodium hypochlorite, which is pre-made already for us. So try to get sodium hypochlorite, and then we have water here. Okay, the measurement will be dropped in the description box below. So what you need to do now, you need a mixing spoon or a wooden one. Okay, you can use a wooden spoon or a plastic one like this one. So don't use anything metal when you are making chemicals. Don't use anything metal, because the metal can react with the chemical and cause some other corrosive solution we do not want. So You want to go for plastic bowls and then wooden spoon or plastic spoons that are strong enough, okay, not the ones that can melt. Okay, so we are going ahead. Sorry. Okay, my light was going off. So now we are going ahead to mix our product together. So we have our hypochlorite, which we normally call hypo. It's going into the water, and then you combine. Okay, so here is our tin bleach. Our tin bleach is done. We don't need preservative in this tin bleach because hypochlorite is very strong, so it kills all the germ, and your product can last even 2 years without going bad. So here, and another thing I've come up with is, we want your tin bleach to be super strong. It's either you increase your hypochlorite a little bit, okay, but not more than the water, because every country has a usage range they use. So you need to research your country usage range to know how much of hypochlorite there must be in a particular bottle, maybe 500 ml or maybe 1 liter. So you need to find out. For my country, for example, it shouldn't be more than 15% of the total formulation. Okay, so another way of me increasing the strength of my tin bleach is by me adding sodium hydroxide. I can add maybe 2% of the total formulation of sodium hydroxide into the formulation. In that way, I will be having 3 ingredients in my formulation. So, but normally the commercial bleach we find in the shop is mostly made out of sodium hypochlorite, or another name which is sodium hypochlorite and water. So that's the commercial one. So here is our tin bleach. It's ready for use. Package it in a bottle that is of dark, this, like, that is not transparent or translucent, that is not see-through, because the more light comes in, the more the power of the sodium hypochlorite or chloride will start to reduce it. So you don't want to package it in a transparent or translucent container. You want it to be a container that is not properly see-through. Okay, so that is the end of our formulation. I've been formulating. Thank you. Bye. And please don't forget to subscribe, like, share. Please like so that the video can be